Hello, lovely yogi. Welcome to Flow with Shreya. I'm Shreya, and today I'm bringing you an Earth Day inspired yoga flow. In this vinyasa flow, we'll be taking postures that are inspired by nature, and the connection of our breath and our movement will help us connect to nature and Mother Earth. So if you want to dedicate some movement to Mother Earth, come flow with me. Meet me at the top of your mat in Tadasana, mountain pose. Take a moment to shake out your arms and legs. Really ground down into your feet, maybe rocking forward and back, feeling the connection of your feet with your mat and the ground beneath you. Grounding down through your feet, allow that energy to flow upward as you stand nice and tall like a mountain, bringing your palms to heart center. Take a moment here to find some gratitude. Inhale your arms up overhead. Exhale your palms to heart center, connecting your breath with movement. Inhale up, exhale the palms to heart center. Inhale the arms up, exhale the palms to heart center once more. This time as you inhale your arms up, exhale and swan dive forward, forward fold. You can bend your knees as much as you'd like. Maybe finding some shifts here, grabbing onto opposite forearms or elbows, finding your ragdoll. Allowing your upper body to feel heavy as you notice the sensations in the backs of your legs. Again, maybe find some shifts forward and back or side to side. Exhale the palms down to the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, fold forward once more. Inhale, lift up as you lengthen your spine. This time, plant your palms and step the left leg back, finding your warrior one. Adjust your feet first, and then rise as you inhale. Find your balance, engage your core, hug the belly button up and in. Strong bend in the front knee. As you exhale, send your palms behind you, interlacing your fingers. Inhale, open your heart. Exhale as you bow forward, finding your humble warrior. Your arms can always stay on your back, or if you'd like, you can begin to peel them forward, keeping your gaze on the ground if balance is a challenge. Pressing into both feet, inhale, rise up. Exhale, open up wide to your side, warrior two. Take your time here adjusting. Find that openness in your hips. Find the strength in your arms. Send your gaze in front of your right toes. Exhale, find your balancing half moon. Right fingertips touching your mat in front of your right toes or on a block. Flex the left heel, pressing the heel away. Engage the core. Exhale, plant the left foot next to your right. Find your forward fold. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, plant the palms as you step the right leg back, finding your warrior one here, turning the right heel in. Inhale, rise. Strong bend in your front knee. Engage your core. Square the hips forward as much as you can. Exhale, interlace your fingertips behind you. Inhale, open your heart. Exhale, bow forward into your humble warrior. Find your breath here. If you feel balanced, you can always take your gaze towards your back foot. Let your head hang heavy here. Inhale, rise from your core. Exhale, open up wide to your side, warrior two. Adjust your stance as you need to. Roll your shoulders down, back, and away from your ears. Strong arms here. Take your gaze in front of your left toes, moving from your core. Find your balancing half moon. Left fingertips in front of the left toes. Right leg rises. Exhale, step the right foot forward to meet your left, forward fold. Take a breath or two here. Exhale as you plant the palms, step back to your downward facing dog. Maybe pedaling out your feet, finding some movement, or even finding some stillness in your downward dog. Continuing to breathe. Inhale the right leg up. Exhale, right knee to right elbow. Inhale the right leg up. Exhale, right knee to nose, cheetah pose. Inhale the right leg up. Exhale, right knee to left elbow. Inhale the right leg up. Plant it down. Inhale the left leg up. Shift forward, left knee to left elbow. Inhale the left leg up. Left knee to nose. Inhale the left leg up. Left knee to right elbow. Exhale back into your downward facing dog. Inhale the right leg up, this time stepping the right foot forward. Find your warrior one again. We'll take that flow one breath per movement. Interlacing the fingertips behind you. Exhale, fold forward for your humble warrior. Inhale, spiral open into your warrior two. Exhale, find your balancing half moon. Staying strong. Exhale, forward fold at the top of your mat. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step back to your downward dog. Inhale the left leg up, step it forward as you find your warrior one, turn the back heel in. Exhale, interlace the fingertips behind you. Inhale, open your heart. Exhale, humble warrior. Inhale, spiral open into your warrior two. Finding your balancing half moon on the opposite side, lift the right leg. Exhale, forward fold at the top of your mat. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale and fold once more. This time as you inhale, roll up one vertebrae at a time. We'll be taking tree pose next. We'll take a moment to adjust and shift your legs, sending all of your weight into your left foot. Bend your right knee and rotate it out to the right. You can keep the right toes on the mat, placing your right heel on your left ankle. The key here is to find that external rotation with the right leg. If you feel like you're balanced, you can take that right foot up slightly onto your left calf. And if you fall out of balance, it's totally fine. Have fun with it. It's a practice, not a perfect. Continue to breathe. If you want a little bit more, you can always grab the right foot and place it on your left inner thigh. Wherever you place the right foot on your left leg, try to avoid the knee, just to avoid creating any extra pressure on the joint. Again, it's okay if you fall out. Yoga teachers are sometimes off balance too. Wherever you are, just keep trying and just keep breathing. And again, you can always keep those right toes on the ground if balance is a challenge for you. Finding a single point to gaze is sometimes helpful here. And if you find even more balance, you can take your arms up overhead and sway side to side, finding your dancing tree. Exhale, shake out your legs before we move on to the opposite side. And though that one side might feel more balanced than the other, and that's totally okay too. Again, take a moment first to find that external rotation, sending your left knee out to the left. And then find the place that works best for you to place the left foot, whether it's on your right ankle with toes down, on your right calf, or on your right inner thigh. If you feel like your foot keeps slipping off of your legs, try to press your left heel and your right thigh against each other, creating that tension. Again, you can find your dancing tree here if you'd like. Whenever you're ready, shake it out. Take your feet about mat distance apart, pointing the toes out, about 45 degrees. Bring your palms to heart center, and as you exhale, lower the hips down, finding your yogi squat, Malasana. Press your elbows and knees against each other to create leverage, lifting and lengthening your spine. Exhale and gently take a seat. Bring the soles of your feet together, let your knees fall wide, finding a butterfly pose. Find your sit bones firmly on the mat. You can stay here upright, opening your heart, or if you'd like, you can fold forward here. Breathe in and out. As you inhale, gently engage your core and lift your torso. Bring your knees together and turn towards the top of the mat if you're not already facing there. Take a moment to shift yourself to the center of your mat and then gently lay all the way back and down. Shift and adjust as you need to. Lift your feet off the mat, knees bent, and wrap your right leg over your right thigh as best as you can. And drop both knees over to the right side, finding a twist with your eagle legs. This is just an option. You can always take a simple reclined twist if you'd like. Inhale your way back to center as you unravel your legs. Exhale, hug your knees towards your chest. We'll take that on the opposite side, crossing your right leg over your left thigh. Lower both knees over towards your left side. Extend the right arm out to the right. Turn your chin towards your right shoulder. Continue to breathe here. Actively pressing your right shoulder down into your mat, creating a little bit more of a twist. Inhale your way back to center. Exhale, hug the knees into your chest. Maybe find some ankle circles here. Before you release your feet onto your mat, take your feet mat distance apart here. Let your knees fall in towards each other. Arms up overhead, elbows soft, finding your passive rest pose as your final resting pose. Gently begin to bring awareness back into your body. And roll over onto one side. When you're ready, press yourself up into a seat. Bringing your palms to heart center, allow your eyes to soften. Namaste. I hope you enjoyed that flow, and if you did, please be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. It always means a lot to me when you share my videos so more people can find them, and it helps my channel grow. Let me know your favorite pose from this sequence in the comments below. As always, everything I'm wearing, the mat I was practicing on, and any props we've used will be linked in the description bar below in case you're interested. For more vinyasa flows, check out this playlist right here. You'll also find relaxing yoga videos as well as yin yoga on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.